The survey that I chose to research for this assignment is Measuring Attitudes Towards Climate Change. This is how people think, feel, and act in relation to climate change. The number of questions in this survey is large, 90 questions in total, and spanning over several different categories such as knowledge and thoughts about climate change and actions participants would be willing to take towards climate change. Participants will respond to these questions using scales. For example, a 1 to 7 scale was presented when being asked about ideology of climate change, 1 being strongly disagree to 7 being strongly agree. A 1 to 4 scale was presented when participants were asked what actions they would be willing to take towards climate change, 1 being not at all willing and 4 being very willing to act. A higher score means a greater concern, higher values, or a stronger willingness to act, while a low score might show that there is less of a regard for climate change and a lower willingness to act. Some participants had a more dismissive view towards climate change, while others had a more concerned view towards climate change. The survey included both male and female participants between the ages of 18 and 65 plus. The highest number of participants were those who were 65 plus. Participants were of various education, income levels, political status, and religion. 2 example questions from the survey are: how concerned are you with climate change? Please answer from 1, not concerned at all, to 7, very concerned. How willing are you to take actions to aid against climate change? Some of these examples are using a vehicle less often, using less electricity at home, and making donations to organizations fighting against climate change. 1, not willing at all, to 4, very willing.